We want the waves without the crunch. What's up, family?
How you doing? How you doing? How you doing?
Welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Candace, and y'all, today, as you can tell in the title, I'm never going to get used to this Invisalign and this lisp. Sorry y'all, the lisp is lisping today. Anyway, so as you can tell in the title, I want to crimp my hair tonight. I'm not going nowhere, I ain't doing nothing. I just want to see how it looks. So I don't know if y'all noticed or not, but the little crimped hairstyle is coming back around. It's starting to be back on trend again. I think like the last time it was on trend to have crimped hair was like I was in middle school, maybe like the end of elementary school going into middle school. Like that was the time where people was wearing their hair crimped, and I don't think I ever had crimped hair. Like I don't think I ever did that. But of course, since there is nothing new under the sun, I decided since it's coming back around, I'm gonna try it. I bought from Amazon, just bought the Bedhead Wave Artist. So this is the crimper that I bought. It just got delivered today. It is so pretty. Look at this purple. I really wanted the green, but the green costs more, and I was like, let me get the purple. I'm doing this on super old hair. This is, well, it's not super old, but it's old. It's a 2-week-old silk press. So I figured since it's old now, I'll play with it because it's real greasy. Like it doesn't have body anymore. It's getting greasy, laid down or whatever. So I was like, oh, I'll go ahead and play with it now since it's old. Y'all see how my hair has grown? Like look at that. Can't see, I got long hair again. Okay, but anyway, let's get this situated. I guess I'll just go by section. I don't think this should take too long. Do you? Like, I don't know. Also, question for you guys. Did y'all rock the crimped hair back then? I wish we could post pictures in the comments, because like bonus points if you have pics of you with your crimped hair back in the day. Like early 2000s. Like crimped hair and your low-rise jeans. Didn't this also used to be like a style? Like we used to do the half up, half down, but the half up would be like the little, y'all can't even see that, you know, the little shroom shroom. Okay, so for my heat protectant, I almost forgot, going to use the Tresemme heat tamer. This is what I always use. Okay, so I guess I just, whoa, okay, how am I gonna clamp this on here? Okay, I guess I just clamp. How, 1 2 3 4 5. That's kind of scary. Ah, I burnt myself. I don't know if it's hot enough. Don't like it did. Okay. Oh shoot, how did I hold it? This is a learning curve. I thought this was gonna be easy, just a quick. I feel like just having it just sit here, I'm burning the mess out of my hair. I mean, I already have heat damage, but still. Ah, I just burnt myself again. Yeah, I'm messing this up. It's a wave. Wait a minute, y'all. This might be something. Another thing is that I didn't use spritz so that it can be like, you know, soft and fluffy. It looks so cute because back in the day, the little crimps used to be crunchy like breaking used to be crunchy like bacon, and you would have like some hard waves. We want the waves without the crunch. Y'all, I keep burning myself. I don't know how long I'm supposed to hold it. Oh, also y'all, my makeup is a mess, so I'm trying to line the crimps up so that I don't know, I guess that's the thing, like trying to line it up so where this last crimp matches the first crimp when I start the next row or whatever, I guess. Okay, I'm getting better at it. Let me keep this going. Oh, I should make a TikTok while I'm doing this. Gotta get my stand so I can make a TikTok too, so the TikTok girlies can see me crimping my hair. All right, so now that I got TikTok set up too, let me finish crimping my hair, and I gotta show them. So I'm gonna stop talking to y'all because I gotta do this. But y'all seen it. Y'all got the first bit. I'm just gonna keep going with my hair and hopefully it come out cute. I'll see y'all when I get to the front. Like this part, that's what I'm worried about. I'm really worried about how this front part is gonna look. Like, is it gonna look like I got bacon growing out of my head? Like, you know, that's what I'm worried about. Y'all, I think I'm getting the hang of this. So I did this side for TikTok, and this side is so pretty. And I think also because it's easier for me to hold on this side compared to this side. I don't know why, it's just, I don't know, it's just easier for me to go like this instead of like this. Like, I don't know, I just can't hold it right when I do this side of my, when I do the, this is my right side. Trying to get these crimps in my hand cramping up. What that mean, y'all? Am I pressing too hard? Or I'm probably just weak. I am getting the hang of this. y'all, so I made it to the front and my camera's about to die, of course. So let's hurry up and try to run through this. I don't know what happened right here. It's like it won't lay. I think maybe I should flip it on this end for the top because I don't like the way like it's just like coming off my head. So maybe I should do it this way. Yeah. This thing has been off. I don't even know for how long, but it cut off. like it just shuts off at a certain amount of time because I'm like, this ain't even doing right. Let that heat up a little bit. Yeah, I wonder how much hair I crimp with this thing being off. I feel like I'm gonna like it better because this, like these little curves are smaller than this big old hump. Oh no, my bag's about to die. So this is smaller than these big old humps. So I think I'm gonna keep going this way. But anyway, I guess I'm gonna have to see y'all when I'm done because my battery's dying. Okay guys, so I am back and I am in love. Next time I get around the 2-week mark with my silk presses, I'm crimping my hair. This is so freaking pretty. I feel like I like this side better than this side. But you know, I was struggling with this side. Also, do not flip it over. I know I said I was gonna flip it over, but no, it looks way better. It looks way better doing it the other way. So this is the side where I just held it the right way. And you see how it's like laying down flat and then it's going to the waves. And then this is the side where I flipped it, the crimper upside down. So you see how I have that bump right up front. So yeah, don't do what I did. Keep it the way it's supposed to be. Keep it this way, not this way. I am so freaking in love with this. It is so cute. If I would have never flipped it upside down, this side probably would have looked like this side. But anyway, y'all, that's all I got. I ain't got no more. I mean, I don't need to have no more. I did it. Y'all better enjoy. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Do not forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Please subscribe. Please watch my videos. Help your girl so that I can quit my job and become a full-time YouTuber because I'm through. I'm done with it. Anyway, I love you guys and I will see you all next time. Bye.